Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Are your iPhone text messages not sending? Seeing a red exclamation mark or messages stuck on sending, whether it's SMS or iMessage not working. This guide will show you exactly how to fix this problem step by step. The first thing you need to check is your network connection. Text messages need a stable connection. For iMessage, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. For SMS, make sure you have cellular signal. Try turning airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Toggle iMessage on and off. Sometimes iMessage glitches can stop messages from sending. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on Apps, and then tap on Messages. Here, turn off iMessage, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If iMessage fails, your iPhone can send a regular SMS instead. For this, open the Settings app, tap on Apps, then tap on Messages. Here, find and turn on the toggle for retry as text message. Checking date and time settings can also help. Incorrect date and time can break messaging services. To check this, go to the Settings app, tap on General. Here, tap on date and time, and make sure toggle for set automatically is turned on. You should also check your Apple ID for iMessage. Make sure you're signed in correctly. To check this, go to Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on Messages. Here, tap on Send and Receive. On the next page, check the email addresses and phone numbers from where you can send and receive iMessages from. Confirm that your Apple ID and phone number are selected. When you select them, a checkmark will appear next to them. A quick restart of iPhone can fix temporary bugs. To turn off your iPhone, press and hold the side button and the volume up or volume down button simultaneously. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds and turn the device back on. If you're having troubles with SMS messaging, it might be your carrier. Make sure your SIM is active and check if you have SMS balance or package. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting network settings on your iPhone. This can fix deeper connectivity problems on your device. Open Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and finally select Reset Network Settings option. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Updating iOS can also help. Software bugs can cause messaging issues on your device. To fix them, go to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update, and install any available updates. If you're facing messaging issue with a specific contact, check if that contact is blocked. Messages won't send to blocked contacts. To check this, go to Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on Phone. Here, find and tap on Blocked Contacts option. Make sure the person you're sending messages to isn't blocked. If SMS is still not working, try removing your SIM card, reinsert it properly and restart your iPhone. Try sending messages to another contact. This helps identify the issue, and if messages work with them, the problem might be with your specific contact. That's it. These are the best ways to fix iPhone text messages not sending. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more iPhone fixes on the channel. Thanks for watching.